Good morning. Buongiorno. Today we are going to Tuscany. We are leaving beautiful Venezia for San Gimignano. It is about 5:30 in the morning and we have a water taxi picking us up, and it's taking us to the train station, and then we're riding on a train to Siena today for, I think it's 4 hours, 3 hours, and then we're gonna rent a car and drive about 30 minutes to San Gimignano. San Gimignano. Yeah, it has an interesting spelling. Let's head out, guys. Buongiorno.
Morning.
Good morning. Alright, the train leaves at what time?
6:26.
Yeah.
To Florenzi, and it's train number. The route is 9403, and we're coach number
1. Thank you, my friend.
Thank you very much.
Let's do it. You're kidding. You're kidding. You're kidding.
I didn't think to ask.
Well, we lost something. Once again. Manuel's jacket. Second time.
Maybe sit at home and you can bring it
Well, it
back.
might not be worth it.
That's a $200 jacket.
Yeah, shipping might cost $200. He ain't getting no more jackets. I gotta give props to my wife. She is always like reservation ready, ticket ready, Euro rail pass ready, COVID pass ready, passport ready. She passport down, boy. She COVID pass down, boy. She Euro reservation down, boy. She got the everything down, boy. Like everybody, you just need to talk to her. If you're trying to make trips and plans and all of that, talk to her. Because I'm sitting here, I was like looking at her roll, the way she pulls the stuff. I said, I gotta make this work. I'm trying to make this work. She's like,
To make it work.
I'm trying to make it work. You know, I got 3 kids with her. I think it's time for me to settle down. I think I'm ready to settle down and you know, hang my jersey up, burn my card, see if I could just make this work. It ain't always easy. That's one thing. We're going on 20 years, and I tell you, she hasn't made it easy for me. She hasn't made it easy for me. But here I am. Huh?
Easy for you to do what?
Marriage requires sacrifice, self-denial, dedication, commitment, love. Sometimes it hurts. Sometimes love hurts. And it involves suffering.
It does. Oh, yes, it does. It does.
A lot of suffering, a lot of patience and suffering. But
And
you know,
forgiveness.
a lot of forgiveness. You know, and you know, there's a lot of communication. But we're going on 20 years. I think we're gonna make it to 20. Well, I don't know, but here we are. 19 years. Man, it's rough, guys. 19, rough. But I don't think it's gonna get easier with anybody else. So I heard my father-in-law. I heard him say this, and I'm starting to really understand what he meant. He said, "Son, it's cheaper to keep her He said he'd be wanting to trade her in and get a new model. It's just cheaper to keep her, you know. So that's 19 years in. I got me a good model. She been good to me, you know. So I'm trying to make this thing work. But these kids be hating. Everybody be hating on me. But I am in Italy, so can't complain too much. So anyway, did you enjoy Venice?
I did. It's very magical and mysterious and beautiful. It's a city of canals and water and grandeur. It's beautiful.
We are now arriving in Firenze Santa Maria Novella. Is expected to arrive 15 minutes
di Grossa Italia. Attenzione! Per viaggiare su tutti i treni è obbligatorio avere le vostre certificazioni del volano 19.
We are now headed to Siena, Italy. Our first train was a little bit delayed, so we had to rush to this next connection. But my wife got us here, and now we got about an hour and a half ride. And I got an hour of sleep last night, so I'm trying to get a nap, but it's hard. I don't know, for whatever reason I fall asleep. But still nice to be in Italy. Next time, take that step.
Yeah, I didn't see it.
Yeah.
But my foot started going down, so I didn't want to
Cause
fall. So I just jumped in it.
good.
Yeah.
Cause that could for real take your knee out.
Yes.
We can make this work, huh?
Yeah,
You don't have a choice.
it's like the size of Nina's car.
Oh well. Okay. It's a cute car though.
Yeah, it is. If we were like 3 people. I'm gonna get some fire B-roll.
I'll be back.
We made it to Siena. One more time. We're trying to grab some lunch, and then we're gonna drive to San Gimignano to check into our Airbnb with my beautiful princess with her blonde hair and blue eyes.
I'm white.
Okay, I think we go.
Look, I'm saving your life.
You saved my life.
I'm saving your life in the process.
We made it. How you feeling?
Tired,
Tired?
but happy.
Cause we ate right there at that corner. Emmanuel was hugging me like he loved me.
And those dogs
He
there,
used to love me.
they we sat out for a little while. But y'all ran across the sun part. So all these sides look like they closed. You can tell the effect of COVID on everything, man.
Yeah.
Those places look closed. You know?
Yeah, but that's probably
Yeah. That's that 1, 2, 3. Now that's an epic lunch shot, man.
Do one more without my beanie.
Okay. Oh yeah. Okay.
Can I keep my beanie on?
You can. 1, 2, 3.
Margarita qua.
Margarita.
Right there. I like it.
Oh yeah, look, that sauce.
Looks like a margarita.
You want me to move that for you? Does your burger not have a bun, babe?
I said burger.
So that burger meat.
Okay. How do I eat it? I guess eat it with a fork.
I think he gets a burger qua.
Said.
How's your burger?
What is this? That's Liverpool. What's up, y'all? I'm vlogging.
Yo. Hey, young man, stay in school. Young man, stay in school. Dream big. Get a roadmap. Take education seriously. Work on your attitude. Take action every day. Find your mentors and say it's all on me, and you can go far.
Thank you, Manny Scott.
On me.
We're gonna interview you later sometime this week, this month, this day. You know what I'm saying?
What's in the capital? Now we are in San Gimignano, and we're walking up a hill because fire trucks have blocked the only entrance to the city. So we had to meet our host at a nearby parking lot and carry our bags to the location. It's nothing at all. But I'm pretty sure I heard them go this way. Yeah, this is the only way to go. Okay. We made it. Family and I have settled here in how you say this city, Alice? Cello. Is it cello? How we say the name of this city? I something feel wrong about that. We are in Tuscany. We're gonna say that. We're in Tuscany. And we are settled in here. The apartment is very nice. The views just outside these windows are gorgeous, and my lovely wife and I, my best friend and I, were able to have a little dinner tonight. Just the two of us and the kids. They stayed here at the apartment, so we drove around and tried to find like 4 restaurants. None of them were like. When we got there was nothing there. They were all closed. And so we ended up going to a nice sushi spot and had a great conversation. And we were just reflecting on how our children's normal is abnormal, like their standards of what's possible, their belief about what's possible is just remarkable. Really, like my wife and I were laughing because when I was younger, I had faith, like I had dreams. I believed that the life that we're living could be possible. I believed it, but it was based on faith. But my children have a different kind of belief that's based on facts. Like they're taking a trip around the world. They are experiencing cultures. And so their normal is abnormal. And so if anyone ever questions them about what they believe is possible, anyone ever doubts their dreams, all they got to do is think about the life they've lived. Like, why can't I travel the world? Why can't I fly airplanes? Why can't I own businesses? Why can't I invest in real estate? Why can't I? And so we are grateful for the way we've been blessed, and grateful for the life that we've been able to give to our children. And none of this would be possible if I was not married to my college sweetheart. And so I'm grateful for her. And it's a privilege to be here. So we're going to take these next few days to just rest and explore this area of Italy. And well, I think they might be doing more exploring than I'll be able to, because I'll be working on a dissertation that I need to finish at least the first draft of this week and submit it to my advisor. So yeah, but I'm feeling good about the progress I'm making, and I'm grateful to be able to be doing it here in Italy with my family. All right, so I'm wrapping up for tonight. I'll check in with you later. I'm out.